Hello students, today we will be going over the Chapter 12 wrap-up. This is Standard 1. I can write congruent statements for angles, lines, and triangles and use congruence to solve for unknown values. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into number 1, where it shows that this is congruent to that, and this is congruent to this. Then it says angle BDA, so BDA is congruent to what? Okay, so we know that these triangles are congruent. We know that's congruent by angle, side, because both of these sides are equal. We say BDA, this one, is congruent to which one? Angle BDC, this one. Okay. Then it says side AB right here is congruent to what side? Okay, if I line everything up, it has to be this side, so BC. Now, it also says triangle ADB is congruent to CDB. So we make sure we put the triangle signal or triangle symbol, CDB. Okay. And we're done. Next, we're going to go on to number 4. It says mark congruent parts and solve. TR bisects KRS. So TR bisects KRS. That means it cuts this angle in half. So I know this is congruent to that. Measure of KRT, that's this one, equals 11x. Equals 11x. And measure of KRS equals 23x minus 4. Okay, so if this is 11x and we know it's congruent, we know that this whole thing is 23x minus 4. This is 11x, this is also 11x. Okay, so what we can say is 2 11x's equals 23x minus 4. Now we just solve for x. Let's move the x's to the same side. We might have to erase that t. I'll put it back there later. Here we go. So if I go minus 22x minus 22x, 0 equals x minus 4. Then I'm going to add 4 here and add 4 here. So x equals 4. Okay. If x equals 4, we know that this x times 4 is 44 degrees. This is 44 degrees. And the whole angle is 88 degrees. Okay. So find an angle KRS. That's the bigger one. We can say the measure, that's a little m, of angle KRS equals 88 degrees. There you go. Okay. And you can go ahead and work on number 5 on your own. I'm going to jump to the next page and do number 7. GH bisects IT. Okay, so if it bisects IT, I know that this is congruent to that. Okay, so it says IG right here is 9x plus 6, and GT is 11x minus 4. So if we're going to solve for x, we can set those equal to each other. Okay, so we say 11x minus 4 equals 9x plus 6. Okay, then we just solve the equation. Minus 9x. 2x minus 4 equals 6. Add 4. 2x equals 10. We know that x equals 5. So 5 times 9 is 45 plus 6 is 51. And 5 times 11 is 55 minus 4 is 51. So both of these are, the length is 51. Okay, so if the length is 51 here, it's not in degrees. Does it give us any units that they are? No, I don't think so. So we are done with that problem. It says find GH. GH right here. Oh, no. Yes. So if x is 5, GH is 2 times 11 times 5 minus 4 equals 106. Okay, so 2 times 55 minus 4 equals 106. So 2 times 55 is 110, minus 4 is 106. Okay, so GH bisects IT. Oh, that means it's a right angle here. Okay, 51, 51. I'm still trying to think how we got that equation right there. So GH equals 106. All right, let's go on to number 8. Okay, determine if the triangles are congruent. If congruent, give the congruence criteria. Write the statements and complete triangle congruency statement. First of all, can we prove congruence? Let's see. Angles, side angle. So yes, we can prove it's congruent. So on that top right above this, so we can prove congruence for angle, side angle. Angle, side angle, angle, side angle. Yep. Okay, so first we're going to say by angle, side angle. So we'll start with the first angle. Angle E is congruent to angle R. We have angle C. We might need to say ECD. Oh, wait, let's do the sides next. We could say that DR is congruent to EC. And the reasons are it's given. And then the last one is angle ECD is congruent to angle RDC. And that's also given. So we say that triangle CDR is congruent to triangle RDC. So again, we can prove the congruence. The criteria was angle, side angle. Okay. Hopefully you can see that okay. All right. Let's go ahead on to the next one. Actually, I think I'll split this up and stop the video now.